Okay, welcome everyone. Parallel lines and proportionality. On that one, we are not going to talk about similar triangles such as these two triangles are similar and that side similar to that one. No, we are not going to talk about that one. If there are two parallel lines, as you see, these and that one, EF and BC are parallel, you can directly say AF over FC, it's equal AE over EB. Of course, you can write AE over EB equal AF over FC, and be careful, that's not equal EF over BC. That's not equal EF over BC. That's very important here. If there's a question come about EF and BC, that means we have to use similar triangles. Okay. Thales theorem. That's if there are three parallel lines, A, B, C, D, and EF. If they are parallel, you can say BD over DF. BD over DF, like the triangle one, it's equal AC over CE. AC over CE. These are rules we will use when we solve some examples. And angle bisector theorem, it wasn't on your book, but still there are some questions in the book. I want to tell that one. If there's an angle bisector, DE over DF, and it's equal A, let's say E, let's say here NA, EA over AF. So EA over AF. We can write a proportion with if there's an angle bisector. Now we learned three things. Let's use these rules. Find the length of each line segment KL. So let's say this is S. That's X. They are asking about X. What we learned? 4 over 6. 4 over 6. It's equal X over 8. X over 8. Let's make cross multiplication. 6 times X. 6 times X. It's equal 4 times 8. 6X equal 32. X equal 32 over 6. That means 16 over 3, and it's equal 5.3, and this 3 is repeating. That's the first one. Only cross multiplication and we will find the missing value. Let's continue second example. This time it's asking about XY. And all of them 30. If this is X and YU must be 30 minus X. Be careful here because we need to write a ratio about that one. Still you can use a similarity rule here, but I'm going to solve that one that way. What is that? X over 30 minus X. It's equal 20 over 25. Let's simplify this 20 over 25 by 5. 4 over 5. So 5 times X, 5X. 4 times 30 minus X. That's become 4 times 30, 120 minus 4X. So to simplify this X, I need that both sides 4X. 9X equal 120. When you divide it by 9, X equal 120 divided by 1, 120 divided by 9. 1 times 9, 3, yes 3, bring down 0, 3 times 9, 27, again 3, so put the decimal point, 13.3 is repeating. So X equal 13.3 and repeating. Of course 120 divided by 9, and if the answer is fraction, it will be simplest form. That's become 40 over 3. That's the same, 13.3 repeating. Okay, that's another example. AB, EC, FD, the AB, EC, FD, AE is 4, that's 4, EF is 6, CD is 8, and it's asking about X. 4 over 6, as you see, 4 over 6 equal X over 8. Make the cross multiplication. 6X equal 32, X equal 32 over 6. 32 over 6, it's equals 16 over 3. That's again 5.3 is repeating. Let's continue. 2 more questions, and these are the angle bisector. What is, I will only solve that one, so you can find a same method the second example, no problem. 12 over 16, 12 over 16, it's equal X minus 2, X minus 2 over X plus 1. Let's simplify this 12 and 16 first. As a fraction, we can simplify by 4, 3 over 4. It's become 3 over 4. Now let's cross multiplication. 4x minus 8, it's equal 3x plus 3. Subtract 3x from the both sides, so take away that 3x from the both sides. Only x minus 8 equal 3, x equal 11. So we find the value of x. What is the question? QR. So the question is not finding x only. Be careful here. What is the question? Question asking about length of the QR. QR, it's equal x minus 2, 11 minus 2 equal 9. And RS equal x plus 1, 11, x equal 11, so 11 plus 1 is equal 12. That's the end of the video. You can solve the last question by using same method. Thanks for listening.